All right, guys, so this one is not a very long video. So what effect does adding and subtracting have for each observation? So let's kind of look at this. I like to use this, guys. I like to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's my setup. This makes it really easy because this is the mean and the median. So this is X bar and the median, right? And then this is going to be Q1 and this will be Q3. It makes it really easy to see what happens. So this says add or subtract. So let's just say I want to add, I want to add, oops, should have been a different color. I want to add 3, guys. Let's say 3. I want to add 3 to each data point. So let's just look at this. So if I add 3 to each data point, my data set turns into 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys kind of see that there? Okay, so let's look at this again. My X bar moved, my median moved, my IQR, let's say, and I forgot to calculate it on the other one. My IQR is still 2. What's my IQR here? It's 2. So when we add or subtract, it only moves the center. And the center is either X bar or the median. Okay? You guys kind of see how that works? Look, I added 3 to each data set. My X bar moved 3. It went from 3 to 6, but my spread or my IQR stayed at 2. So that means the standard deviation didn't change either. So spread didn't change. Spread doesn't change on this. It only moves the center. So now let's look at it again. Let's take the same data set because it's really easy to deal with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a really good set of numbers if you're stuck on a test to kind of say, okay, what's happening? Okay, we got our median, we got our Q3. Oops, that's Q1. We got our Q3. And then we're going to subtract, which means my IQR is still 2. So now, let's go for it. So multiply or divide. So let's multiply. I'm going to multiply by 2. So let's say we're going to multiply by, I'll just multiply by 3. So if I multiply by 3, I get 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. All right. So now my X bar and my median are here. So they got multiplied by 3. And then look what happens. My IQR is 6. It doubled. So when we multiply and divide each one, it changes everything. It changes the center and the spread. Okay, that's supposed to say spread. Sorry, guys. So what's going to happen is it's going to increase or change the center, and it's going to change the spread. That makes it a lot easier to read. Okay, so this one up here only affects the center.